And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone. Maybe you're back in the house after a long day of Easter services, Easter brunch, spending time outside. Maybe you observed Passover and you were out on a hike today or spending the day with friends and family. Whatever you choose to do, I hope you had a chance to get out of the house and enjoy just a perfect spring day here in southern Colorado. Light breezes, mild temperatures, highs that were just slightly above average for this time of the year. Right now in the Springs, after hitting that high of 66, we are checking in at 64. Winds are light, but the air mass is relatively dry across the region. And we do have an increase in the fire weather threat a little bit later this week. I'm going to get to that in just 1 second. Right now in Pueblo, checking in at 71 degrees in the Steel City. Big dome of high pressure extending from the northern Rockies, northern plains, all the way out into the Pacific, just off the coast of California. This is going to be the primary weather feature in the forecast this week, and this is going to keep our skies clear and sunny on Mondays. So I know we saw a few clouds from time to time throughout the weekend. That will not be the case tomorrow. Sunshine, light breezes continue with temperatures chilly in the morning, but warming up in the afternoon by around 5 to 10 degrees from what we saw today. So here's what that does. You can see noontime temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s, and those daytime highs tomorrow well past the 70-degree mark. So tomorrow we'll call that a bit of a transition day as high pressure really begins to expand and strengthen and move east across the Rocky Mountain states, eventually moving into the plains as we make our way towards the middle to end of the week. But this is going to bring us a few days with the potential for those record-setting temperatures. Still keeping a close eye on Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe tying that record Tuesday in Pueblo. But I think both areas with that record dropping the threshold for records lower on Wednesday, we should shatter those with 81 expected in the Springs and 88 the daytime high in Pueblo. Now, along with the warmer temperatures by Tuesday, we start to get some strong southerly winds across the eastern plains. National Weather Service already issuing a fire weather watch from noon to 9 p.m. In this area, we could see gusts around 40 miles per hour, humidity as low as 9%. Take a look at the overnight lows tonight. It'll be slow to cool initially, but check out the temperatures that we expect by tomorrow morning. Crisp and clear with 20s and 30s. That gives way to daytime highs well into the 70s for areas along and east of the interstate. 75 for Canyon City, 73 expected here in Colorado Springs. So we make note of the record potential here on your Super 7-day forecast. Wind also expected to pick up a little closer to the interstate by Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll be watching those days around the middle of the week for the potential for some fire weather watches or red flag warnings. Then we get some storm energy that drops in Friday night. We need the moisture, and some of the indications this far out say that this could be a big drink of water potentially for parts of southern Colorado, including here in the Pikes Peak region. And then we see cooler air on Saturday with a rain-snow mix possible. For Pueblo, we are dry and we are hot. Not so much Monday, but check out Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs in the upper 80s, still in the 80s Thursday with those winds strengthening. Then we get some showers and storms by Friday evening. Canyon City, I've got a mix of 70s and 80s through Thursday. The rain-cooled air moves in Friday. We have that mix of rain and snow, though with high of 55, probably more rain than snow for Canyon City. For Woodland Park, we've got some snow showers towards the end of the week, but before we get there, some absolutely spectacular weather and a high of 74 in Teller County. In April, I think folks probably delighted up in that area.